Grab your glue and essentials. Don't forget your bottle. Definitely get your Tiffany's glass, or any glass would work. Fill it up and put it to the side. Get you some pretty roses. Smells so good. And we're ready to go. Before we get started, I think I want to call this the Ladies' Night Slime. We're going to pick out one of these flowers here. This one looks to be perfect enough. So we are going to cut a little bit of the tip. Not that much. Here's the fun part, mamas or dads. Okay, we're going to put in however much glue you would like, depending on how large you would want to make your slime. I like to eyeball it. I'm going to add in just a tad bit of baking soda. And guess what? If I didn't say essential oil, grab you some essential oils. You can use vanilla, lavender. I'm going to use frankincense. Because I want to be nice and calm when I'm with my slime. I have Valentine's Day around the corner. I wonder what will happen if I give it a little swirl with the tip. And we're going to use some liquid starch as our activator. All right, that little swirl right there in the middle, that lump, we're getting some slime here. Just need a tad bit more liquid starch, or whichever activator you choose to use. And we're making some slime with just this little stick here. But of course, we don't have to continue using the stick. And we have slime. We're gonna be ready to chillax with our slime. We can sit at the desk. Yep, we gotta get our fingers a little dirty. Now we have our perfectly made slime. We wanna make it grown and sexy for us. Smells wonderful, just like we want it. We got our drink. Now we experiment. We can get these petals in our slime. Let's take this one here. That looks amazing. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. What a thought, rose petals and slime. This is therapeutic, okay? So relaxing. So calming. You can put in the whole rose if you like. Yeah. We're gonna mix it in. All in there. That one rose petal. You can do as many as you like. I hope you enjoy your grown and sexy slime.